Hi, I'm Dr. Ski, President of HACC. I am so excited to welcome you into the Bruce E. Cooper Student Center, where we are educating students for over 50 years in this facility. Recently, it was renovated, and one of the individuals who played a key role in its renovation was Rich Cardamo. So Rich, why don't you tell us a little about what's happening and who's in this building?
All right, well, thanks, Dr. Ski. So the building has been completely transformed since its original construction. It really serves as the heart of the campus, where students can come and obtain a variety of services, including registering for classes. Up on the second floor, we have our counseling and advising office, career services, and for our military and veteran affairs students, we have an office where they can go and obtain their services.
Well, the first stop on our tour is the college's Welcome Center, and the person who will be able to tell us much more about this center is Heather Reber. Heather, tell us a little more about the Welcome Center.
Here at the Welcome Center, we assist students with enrollment services, financial aid, and disability services. Each year, we service approximately 52,000 walk-ins and 100,000 phone calls.
Our next stop in the Bruce E. Cooper Student Center is the Chef's Apprentice. Chef Tom, tell us a little about what the Chef's Apprentice does.
The Chef's Apprentice is a student-run restaurant that was created for the culinary arts program. We have made-to-order food like omelets and fresh-tossed salads. We make our own pizza, and we also have a hotline. And we also have this great barista station that everybody loves. And we do most of the catering here on the Harrisburg campus.
One of the programs that's located in the Bruce E. Cooper Student Center is our Veterans and Military Affairs Center. So Dean, tell us a little about what this center does.
As you know, Dr. Ski, HACC serves the second largest population of veterans within the state. Over 1,200 veterans attended our credit and non-credit programs every year. We're also the only college in Pennsylvania to have a VA counselor on campus through the Best Success program.
In addition to the programs and services that are offered in the Bruce E. Cooper Student Center, this is also a space for our students to congregate throughout their day or in the evening. What I'd like to do now is introduce you to Noah Rufus Abbey, who is the Harrisburg Campus Vice President.
Thanks, Dr. Ski. The lounge space in Cooper is important to every student on campus. It provides a great place for them to socialize, relax in between classes, work independently on projects, or even group study.
Another important program that we have housed in the Bruce E. Cooper Student Center is our Center for Global Education. With me today is Jennifer Daly. Jennifer, tell us a little about the Center for Global Education.
You can see right behind us is our Center for Global Education, and in there we're serving HACC's international students and study abroad students. Right now we've got over 225 international students for the semester, and since we've begun we've served over 1,000 students in study abroad programs, traveling to over 21 different countries.
One of the last programs that I'd like to highlight in the Bruce E. Cooper Student Center is our Counseling and Advising Center. With me is Lizette Ruiz, and she will talk to us a bit about what the Counseling and Advising Center does.
In the Academic Advising and Counseling Office, we help more than 700 new students get started at HACC during our new student orientation. We also provide academic advising to almost 6,500 students throughout the year. We provide personal and confidential counseling, and we also provide programming to enhance mental health wellness education.
Thank you very much for taking this personal tour, a virtual tour of our renovated Cooper Student Center. We hope that you have found it very educational, informative, and exciting. If you believe in HACC, as so many of us do, we hope that you will seriously consider donating to the Cooper Student Center Renovation Fund or a naming opportunity. With this, we hope that you'll come and join us many times in the future to celebrate this renovated building. Because, like us, we hope you will strongly say, HACC!